Okay, so as part of this session, we are going to see how are we going to download and install the SQL Developer tool. It is pretty easy, so it is just have to browse again oracle.com and click on search for Oracle SQL Developer download. Yeah. So the second one states that Oracle SQL Developer downloads. Click on that. Okay, so here we have it for Windows 64-bit. So JDK is also included. So what we have done as part of the Oracle database installation, we have taken for 64-bit because our 19C is going to get compatible with 64-bit only. So click on the download and check it for license agreement and then click on download. It is going to ask for the username and password for the Oracle. Once you give the login username and password, it will get downloaded. For the tutorial purpose, I have already downloaded. So what I'm going to do is, here it is. So I have already downloaded. I'm just going to extract it in wherever I have downloaded. So I've kept it in my D drive under the software's database. So I'm going to extract. So once it is extracted, yes, it has been extracted. So I'm going to double click, open it, and then I'm going to find out the file SQL Developer Setup. So I'm going to right click that. Of course, here also you have been logged in as administrator already. So I'm going to run as administrator, give yes. Just wait calmly for it to get. Okay, would you like to import preferences? No, I don't want to import any preference. What does it mean? Because like if you want to import any other previously created connections, okay, we don't have anything freshly, we are installing it. So I'm going to click on no. Okay, done, that's all. So I'm going to close this, and this welcome page I'm not going to bother much. So what it says is database connection, database is detected. See, this is the exact location where we have stored the database. It just did a swipe through. See, it is already telling in the C drive app DB home. So it is actually finding the database. It is detecting the database, existing database in our laptop. It's good. Anyway, we can close this welcome page, and so we have this Oracle connections here. So this is all about how this is the tool, Oracle Developer tool. We have installed the Oracle Developer tool to give a more introductory session on this, how to use this Oracle Developer tool, Oracle SQL Developer tool. What are the features inside it? That is second part. So we'll have a separate video on to explore more on the features of this Oracle SQL Developer tool. As part of installation, this is it. So thank you.